And welcome back. We're here with Narendra from Curry Station. What are we making?
Well, it's mango season, as I said, and we are cooking today the mango chicken curry. This is one of my favorite dish, and it's very simple.
Great, and you said this is also a great way to introduce spices to kids because the dish is sweet.
Yeah, this dish everybody loves it, and especially kids. Kids, they love this dish because it has a little bit sweetness because we use ripe mangoes in it.
We've been trying this one.
Yeah,
It's delicious.
yes, it's delicious.
Very good.
Isn't it?
So you chopped the mango already, and the chicken was marinating.
Yes, chicken was marinated with a little bit ginger, garlic, salt, and a little bit turmeric because turmeric is very good for the kids. It makes their immune system very stronger.
Good for everybody.
Yes.
Yes. Everyone's loving that
that's
spice.
true. So we marinate it and just we add the cardamom in it, a little bit whole cardamom, and we share the chicken here. And we have the onion and cashew paste here. It's just simple. The half onion and half cashew, boil it, then make the paste, and that's it. You don't have to do anything else. It's not like a very complicated.
Yeah.
And
So
of course, this recipe is on our website on mysuncoast.com. So you've got them going. How long are we searing the chicken?
It depends on how big are the pieces, but these are, I made this small because we have less time. So they are almost done, so we're gonna add some spices in it. So a little bit turmeric here.
Oh, yes.
And a little bit cumin here.
You can just look and tell.
And chili powder, if you like to add chili powder, you can add it. But if your kids, they cannot have more hot, then you don't have to add. It's just optional, totally optional. So we will give that little bit small stir here. And as soon as this is done, we're gonna add some ripe mango diced.
Yes. That's the mango that Kathy and Linda have been
That's the
dicing
one that's
and tasting.
3 mangoes today.
And like you mentioned, this is a great time to try this recipe with for the whole family because of mango season.
Oh yes, because many of my friends, they have the mango trees everywhere. And even I have the mangoes. My kids love it.
Yes.
But some of my friends, they are, I mean, they don't care about the mangoes, you know. So I just go and get like a 2 bucket full every morning and feed my kids, you know. It's amazing. And also you can make the mango chutneys. There are so many recipes. If you guys email me, I can give you the recipes. Recently I made the mango pickles. I'm gonna eat like all year, I guess.
Yes.
So you know what I'm saying?
Well, if you send them to us, we'll eat them.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't have to sacrifice.
So we're gonna add some mango puree here, a little bit. You don't have to make the puree, but I would say like it makes your curry to the next level.
And is
It
that
gives
just
them-
pureed mango?
Yeah, just
That's it?
pureed mango,
Okay.
nothing else. So it's gonna give you a little bit richness to your sauce and a little bit more taste
little
as
more
well.
sweetness.
Yes.
This looks so
is a
easy when you
great
do it.
recipe for the
Very
season.
simple.
Also great, as you know, it's been our Mom Day, so it's a great recipe and a great way to introduce Indian spices to kids. So this is wonderful. As Narendra starts plating our final dish here, remind us, you have some things coming up at Curry Station, some specials coming up next month.
Yes, for this summer we have like we stopped the buffet because of the summer, and we have the special combo plate for $7.99.
That's a
and
great
it's
deal
a
this summer.
Big meal is already in it.
Yes.
But whoever loves the buffet, we're gonna start the next month, August 16. The buffet, the full buffet will be open.
How
on that.
exciting. Everyone loves your buffet, and that'll start August 16th. You can visit Curry Station at Beneva and Clark. You can also find them online. Thank you, Narendra. Kathy, thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me, as
And
always.
Megan, thank you for all of the great tips. We love keeping up with all of your mommy tips.
All right.
All right, we're celebrating Mom Day. Don't forget, you and Mom, take some time, enjoy the Suncoast view.